In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a video from a project folder without deleting it from your account. If you want to clean up a project and take a video out of a specific folder, this is a very simple process. The important thing to understand before you begin is that removing the video from the project folder does not erase the video completely. It will still remain saved in your account so you can access it again later if needed. This is helpful when you want to organize your workspace without losing any of your content. To get started, open the project where the video is currently stored. Once you're inside the project, look through the list of items until you find the video you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if your project contains several similar files or multiple versions of the same video. Next, click the checkbox next to that video. This tells the platform exactly which item you want to manage. After selecting it, look for the Remove option. When you click Remove, the system will usually ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental changes, so if you're sure this is the right video, go ahead and confirm. Once you confirm, the video will be removed from that project folder. At this point, the folder will no longer contain the selected video, which can make your project feel much cleaner and easier to navigate. This is especially useful if you're reorganizing older files, separating completed work from active work, or simply reducing clutter in a shared workspace. One important tip to keep in mind is that this action only removes the video from the folder itself. The file is still saved in your account, so you have not permanently deleted it. That means you can still search for it, move it elsewhere, or use it again in another project later on. If your goal is only to tidy up your project structure, this is the safest way to do it. And that's it. Open the project, select the checkbox next to the video, click Remove, and confirm the action. The video disappears from the folder, but it remains available in your account for future use.